Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. You want to know what my husband's tired of hearing me say in bed? I love these sheets. That's what I've been saying every night since I've gotten these sheets by Puralens. They are made of this amazing 100% cotton with a percale weave, and they are the most breathable, crisp, soft, refreshing sheets I have ever slept on. So, beyond how comfortable they are to sleep in, I also love the beauty of them. I have the tropical print, which is a beautiful botanical print. Another thing I love about these is the practicality of the fitted sheet. It stays around my mattress the whole time and doesn't keep flipping up. So they've done a couple things to help with this. The elastic goes all the way around the sheets, 360 degrees. They also have made the top of the fitted sheet and the side of the fitted sheet separate pieces of material. So then it's not the same one trying to pull up. They've made it look really pretty with this piping all the way around where those two seams meet, and it really just takes these sheets up a notch. These would make a wonderful gift for anyone. They come in a beautiful package, so you won't even have to wrap these. I have absolutely been loving these on my bed. My room looks so pretty with my bed fully made with these folded over my plain white comforter. So if you also want to be able to say, I love these sheets every single night of your life, then try these. But that's just my point of view.